Good afternoon, everybody. At the outset, I would like to thank Mr. Suresh Lula and the organizer for giving us this opportunity. It's going to be very difficult post-prandial. You can all have sound sleep, but sleep without that sound being produced. Mr. Suresh Lula and the whole team had helped us in getting this Lean Six Sigma implemented. And this is the third project which we did in our organization. To start with, this hospital is in Cochin and it's owned by Mata Amritanandmayi, who is popularly known as Amma. We are certified with, since we are a university, NAC A grade, NABH, NABL. It's a not-for-profit university tertiary care referral hospital. 1,300 beds with 250 critical care, that makes it highest critical care beds in the country. Our USP had been that it's all integrated, networked, all 1,800 computers, and we have our own web-based hospital information system. So our project is that application of Lean Six Sigma in reducing infections in pediatric cardiovascular thoracic surgery. And that's specific in one particular ICU, which is 10 beds. So just in close to 6 months' time, it was a 51 lakh which was basically saved. This is just in 10-bedded ICU in one particular department for a 6 months period. So it was very, very decent, and that's how we were able to buy in and get more staff and more resources put in for our hospital infection control software. So the savings was close to 51 lakhs in one ICU setting. The advantage was it was comprehensive participations, the solutions were put in practice, the sigma level also improved, and the average length of stay dropped. So from business point of view, it makes a lot of sense, and management was very happy. And from the customer's perspective, there was improved in most of the clinical outcomes with the Six Sigma implementation. Thank you very much.